Dear all, as per the request received from the subscribers and queries received from various forums, I hereby record this video. This is actually a demo video. In this video, you could understand how we could use this ebook, and how we could effectively identify the correct HSN and GST rates. Okay, we will see the demo. Once you ordered our ebook, we will send the ebook as a Google document to your Gmail ID. You will get a mail from Aivar Tax Solution like this. In this, the document will be shared. You may click open. It will be open in a new tab. Okay. For the first time, it may take a few minutes to load all the pages. Thereafter, it will be very much easy to access. Okay. You may enable offline feature by click here. There will be a turn on button here. Okay. You may turn on the offline features. Thereafter, you could use without any internet connection also. And you need not to access every time through mail. You may bookmark this page. So once you bookmarked, it will be available in your home page. So by this, you could easily access in your browser by clicking this link without any internet connection also. You could access your ebook. Okay. The book is loading. Our ebook contains around 300 pages. You could search by using Control plus F option. The search option will be enabled. You may search by using HSN, SAC, description of a product or service, or any keyword. For example, now I am searching for a idli dosa batter. What is the GST rate for idli dosa batter? So I am searching as idli. Okay. So IDLY, there is a zero matches found. There is no such word in this ebook in the name of idli. I think it is yes, IDLI, idli. So once we entered as a idli, it says 4 matching found. The first one is here, serial number 100A. It says roasted gram idli and dosa batter chutney powder is taxable at 5%. So it is a current rate available. Okay. Actually, the roasted gram is inserted by notification number 27/2017 with effect from 22nd September 2017. And idli dosa batter and chutney powder is inserted by notification number 41/2017 with effect from 15th November 2017. So whenever you search a keyword and you found a HSN and GST rate and its complete amendment history, okay. So we cannot come into conclusion by seeing the first match. There are another 3 matches is there. So we have to verify all to conclude which is the correct one. Okay. So here in this case, there is no doubt idli dosa batter is clearly given as a 5% and its HSN is 2106. The next one is, the second one is a 12%, which was omitted by notification number 41/2017 with effect from 15th November 2017. Okay. So once it is omitted, we entered as a red mark and we strike out that word or sentence or the complete serial numbers. Okay. So this book has a complete history of amendment and it is a complex one because it has all the details. If you need any historical details, this book will be very much useful. For example, you got a notice for idli dosa batter for the period of 2017 or something like that. It is an example. The rate amended from which period you could easily find in this issue 1. Now we may check as a HSN wise. For example, 5200 5208. There is only one match found. The 5208 is a woven fabrics of cotton it is a 5%. There is no other matches found. So whenever you search for a HSN and it contains the only one matches, there is no doubt is that is the only rate available for it for the HSN. So whatever be the HSN, the 5208, even if for 8 digit or 6 digit, if it is a 5208, that will be taxable at 5%. Okay. I think this demo will be enough. If any query, feel free to contact through WhatsApp. Thank you.